Minisita w'emirimo n'eby'engyendo mw'ihanga Genero Katumba Wamala omukurambura oruguuto rukuza omu bidiba by'amajuta orwa Kabwoya Bohuka yashanga ngu hakiriho ekizibu eky'abakama b'amataka batakashashwirwe. Oruguuto oru oruho oburingwa bwa kilomita 23. Gavumenti ekarukwasa aba China Railway 7th Group Company Limited CRSG omu nkora ya Design and Build Project kandi bakaragana okurumalira omwaka gw'2027.
Ebula abantu nga 5 oba 5 mu 2 bwe batyo. Kakati abo be bakyasibyemu olw'okuba baagala tumala okubawa akasente kaabwe. Naye senga bakkiriza basobola otuwa ettaka nga tukkiriziganyiza ku muwendo. Contractor n'akola ne tubasasula. Kuba gavumenti enza kubba. Gavumenti tebba ate gavumenti esasula. Newegiba myaka emeka ekusasula.
A tea estate.
A tea estate?
Yes. And from the last quarter, around 2.5 billion was allocated, and that money was effectively paid.
For that tea estate alone?
Yes. And through this budget of the supplementary, we anticipate to receive more money through allocation to make the additional payments.
Tatenga kitutawanya nnyo okufuna sente ez'okusasula abantu b'ettaka. Ate oluusi ne betuzifuna tufuna obuzibu obannannyini ttaka. N'osanga famire emu baganya okukkiriziganya. Sente we ziri naye ate baganya okukkiriziganya, temumanyi ani gwe mugenda kuwa sente. Oba gavumenti ekoze evaluation egambye tujja kuwa miliyoni 10, oganja nze njagala miliyoni 5.
Engineer Titus Arepede ori engineer wa project yagamba ngu bine kilomita 6 omu kibira kya Bugoma ezibine kushumbusha ba NFA emiteyi barikwenda kutema.
About 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers of the forest, Bugoma Forest Reserve. Now, in Rabot, the trees they were proposed before by NFA between 2018 and 2020. So we are supposed to cut them down. So NFA is conducting an activity to have the trees cut down. Once you cut the trees, then the works can.
So NFA is supposed to harvest their trees?
Yes.
Ekibira tukwatagana n'ab'ebibira bennyini b'NFA. Kubanga era ekibira tekiyinza kubeerawo ng'enkulaakulana teriiwo. Kubanga eno nkulaakulana. Oluguudo luno lwakola si nkulaakulana. Olaba kati olukuba wano ogenda ekyenjojo weebaka n'okwebaka naye nga mujjukira emabega bukyali.
Engineer Titus bitu yashobora ngu emirimo eri aha bucweka 15 harigana.
Project is a pre-financing project where they are supposed to achieve 30% of physical works or when it reaches 1 year before we start paying. Currently at 15%, the aims to achieve 30% by end of April this year.
We're supposed to finish 13% at the
Yes.
April of this year.
Will you hit the target?
We shall hit it.
Because now the forest is no longer an issue.
Yes.
The tea estate is no longer an issue.
Actually, I think for land issue, we should also engage with our engineer. We should engage with the landlord in advance.
Yeah.
Then we plan accordingly.
Bamwe mu batuura ba Kabwoya n'abarukwejonesa oruguuto oru okuza Kyangwari bagamba ngu oruguuto oru kurukora nekiza kutunguura ekicweka kyabo.
Enyuma aho hamwe tukaba tuyina ebiina bingi munonga ati nka ndi senior drive emyaka 15 nyina emotoka yanje oruguudo batakatandise kurukora akalimu ebiina eby'amaani munonga emotoka ziri mu ruguudo emotoka zirafa.
Emirimo y'okukora oruguuto oru ekatandika ha biro 23 by'okwezi kwa Kane omwaka oguhwire gw'2025 bitu ekabanza kwemerezibwa ahabwa gavumenti okuburwa sente. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.